flow management is crucial for the success and sustainability of any business. It involves tracking, analyzing, and optimizing the movement of cash in and out of the company. By implementing effective strategies, businesses can maintain sufficient liquidity, meet financial obligations, and seize growth opportunities. Hi, my name is Rashie Sinha, and I'm a business strategy coach and trainer. I help organizations and business owners in successful implementation of their business strategies, leading to higher revenue and overall business growth. Welcome to this episode of Midweek Business Moment. In this episode, I'll share essential techniques for managing cash flow effectively by offering practical tips and insights to help businesses improve their financial stability. Before we start, I'd like to share a disclaimer. I'm not a financial expert. However, I've been running my business for over 6 years now, and in past have worked in organizations where my key mandate came with revenue responsibilities. The top 5 pointers that I'm sharing today are based on my experience and learning of managing my own business effectively. So, let's begin. Tip 1. Creating a cash flow forecast is a fundamental step in managing cash flow effectively. It involves estimating future cash inflows and outflows to determine the company's expected liquidity position. Begin by analyzing historical financial data and identifying trends in sales, expenses, and payment cycles. This information will help you project your cash inflows from sales and other sources accurately. Similarly, consider all regular and irregular cash outflows such as payroll, rent, supplier payment to anticipate your expenses. By comparing projected inflows and outflows, you can identify potential shortfalls or excesses and make informed decision accordingly. Such forecast runs hand in hand with your yearly business goal setting plan. In case you're setting up a new business, you will not have historical data to use as a base. In such cases, you can study industry trends. Do remember, cash flow forecast is closely related to business blueprint planning when you are starting a new business. Tip 2. Timely collection of receivables and strategic management of payables are essential to maintain a healthy cash flow. Implement effective credit policies to ensure prompt payment from customers, including clear payment terms, regular follow-ups, and incentives for early payments. Consider offering discounts for early settlement or implementing automated payment reminders to encourage timely payments. On the payables side, negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers and vendors, taking advantage of discounts for early settlement when feasible. However, be cautious not to strain relationships by unnecessarily delaying payments. In fact, I'm reminded of a business which had to fold up because they had not established a system of collecting outstanding from the market and would think of it only when they faced a crunch. With time, what happened is that it burdened them with bad debts and took the company down. Tip 3. Managing operating expenses is crucial to maintain a positive cash flow. Review your business operations and identify areas where you can reduce costs without compromising quality. Explore possibilities to streamline processes, negotiate better deals with suppliers, and implement cost-effective technologies. Regularly monitor your expenses to ensure that they align with your budget and adjust accordingly if necessary. Additionally, consider establishing expense approval processes to control, unnecessary spending and prevent overspending. Never go over budget is the thumb rule you need to follow. Tip 4. Working capital refers to the funds available to cover day-to-day operational expenses. Insufficient working capital can lead to cash flow problems, while excess working capital ties up resources that could be invested elsewhere. Calculate your working capital requirements by considering factors like inventory levels, account receivable and account payable. Optimize your inventory management to avoid overstocking, which can drain cash flow, or stockouts that result in missed sales opportunities. Similarly, negotiate favorable payment terms with suppliers to maximize available funds. Regularly review your working capital position to ensure it aligns with your business needs. One of the organizations I was associated with had accumulated a lot of dead inventory for multiple reasons. With money stuck in such dead inventory, and not to forget the additional cost of warehousing for such an inventory, they had to act swiftly. Hence, the firm came up with a plan to a clearance sale and managed to recover the base cost of manufacturing and get rid of the additional warehousing cost for housing that inventory. Tip 5. During the course of running a business, you will come across market-driven situations that might not be in your control, like economic downturns or change in industry policies. Such unforeseen events can significantly impact cash flow. To mitigate risk, establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or revenue fluctuations. Set aside a portion of your profits regularly to build a reserve that can help your business weather any challenging times. Additionally, consider establishing a line of credit with a financial institution. This provides a safety net when immediate cash flow need arises, ensuring you can meet your obligation without any disruptions. During the pandemic, many firms collapsed because they had not planned for such unforeseen situation. It is important to learn from such incidents and plan accordingly. As I shared earlier, effective cash flow management is vital for the financial health and longevity of any business. By implementing these strategies, businesses can better navigate financial challenges and seize growth opportunities. Regular monitoring, analysis, and adjustment of cash flow strategies are necessary to ensure ongoing success. With diligent cash flow management, businesses can enhance their financial stability, make informed decisions, and achieve long-term growth. That's all I have for you today. If you liked what you saw in this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I would also like to request you to press on the bell icon so that you can receive a notification whenever I post new content. I would also love to know what you thought about this video, so please go ahead and comment in the comment section below, or you could even write to me directly on my ID, which is mentioned in the description below. Thanks for your time.